Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can customize your external screen on your Motorola Razr 40. As we all know, we can flip our phone and then it looks like this, and we can customize our external screen here. And for that we need to open up our phone again and then go to our settings. We need to unlock the phone first and then go to our settings, and here we can go to external display. We'll click on it and then we have a few different options. So we will go through it step by step. First of all, clock faces, and here you can decide what you want your clock to look like. Maybe you want something like this on your screen, or you want to have the moon on your screen, or just some color. That's totally up to you. I will set the moon there now, and then when we close it, it looks like this with the moon and the stars. So go back, and now we can go to the panels. So we can say what we want to access on our external screen. So we have the audio recorder, calendar, contacts, media, timer, and weather. So let's say the calendar is pretty useful. Allow secondary display launcher app to access your calendar. Allow. Then also timer would be nice, and then we'll go with that. And now we can hold and drag to rearrange. So we can say we want the timer before the calendar. And now if we close our phone, we have the home screen, we have the timer, and then we have our calendar with no events today. So if we go back, we can then go to notifications, and here we can turn on and off notifications which we don't want on our external screen. Just click here and then turn that off, for example. Then we can go back. Now we can go to call settings. So flip open and close actions. Flip open to answer. So if you have your phone flipped and then you open it, that will automatically your call. Flip close action, disconnect call. So if you then close your phone again, then you will end the call. End calls unless you're using the speakerphone, a Bluetooth device, or headset. So it does disconnect the call, but when you're using like a speakerphone, Bluetooth device, headset, whatever, then the call will like stay. And now we can also say to continue calls even after flip is closed. So you can say here if you want to disconnect the call or continue the call. So then we can go back, and then we have Razr tips. Discover new ways to use your foldable phone. Sure. And here you have just more information about what you can do with your foldable phone. We'll go to camera, for example. Quick capture photos. With your Razr closed, twist your wrist twice to open the camera. Press the power button to close it. So that's pretty nice. Snap a photo, capture photos with your Razr closed by pressing the volume key or tapping on the screen. Then we have the camera cartoon. Capture your subject's attention by playing a cartoon on the external display. So that's pretty cool. Then we have the camera postures. Position your phone like a laptop, a stand, or tent. Try different postures for taking photos and videos. And then we have smooth cinematic videos. So use portrait videos to blur the background and put people at the center of your film. So that's, for example, the camera option you have here, and then you just have more things you can find out here. So that is how you can customize your external screen on your Motorola Razr 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.